Class List tool is designed to help therapists organize sensory strategy supports for multiple students at once. To begin, tap the Class List tool button from the main menu. This will open a landing page with information about the tool along with a visual quick start guide. Tap Start to begin. Type your class name into the text field, then tap Add Class List. You will see the class list title card appear below. Tap the class list to open it. The Roster Tools page will then appear. From here, you can choose to import a class list from a CSV or Excel file saved to your device, or scan a printed class list using your device camera. To import a class list, tap Import Class List. Select the class list file from your device. A card with the list of students will appear below. To help protect student privacy, the Class List tool displays each student using only the first two letters of their first name and the first letter of their last name. To scan a class list, tap Scan Class List. Your device camera will open. Position the paper class list inside the viewer. You can either tap to capture the image manually or hold the camera still and allow the app to automatically scan and capture the image. For best OCR accuracy, crop out any unnecessary text and include only the first and last name columns from the class list. After scanning, a review page will appear so that you can check that the app has correctly recognized and organized the names. If everything looks correct, tap Import. If there are any inaccuracies, simply rescan and recrop the class list, or import the roster from a CSV or Excel file instead. Once your class list is loaded, scroll through the list and tap the students you would like to trial sensory strategies with. When the student is selected, a Select Target Skill button will appear. Tap this button to reveal a list of observable behaviors. Select the behavior or behaviors you would like to target with trial sensory strategies. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page where a student plan card will appear. For each selected behavior, tap to reveal a list of sensory strategies. Choose the strategies you would like to trial, then tap the back button. Repeat this process for each behavior you have selected. When you are finished with that student, tap the back button to return to the class list. Repeat this process for each student you would like to create trial strategy plans for. When you are finished, tap the Export Selected Students PDF button at the bottom of the class list. The student strategy plans can then be shared directly with teachers through printing, email, text, AirDrop, or other apps used by your school district such as Microsoft Teams. On the shared document, you will see a separate card created for each student. Each card includes the student's target behavior list, the selected strategies to trial, and a simple data tracking form. Teachers can use the form to mark whether each strategy was effective or not effective. This information can help support continued use of successful strategies, guide adjustments when strategies are not effective, and inform team decisions about next possible steps, including whether a more comprehensive assessment may be needed. The Class List tool is intended to make it easier to organize, share, and monitor sensory supports across multiple students, while keeping the process practical for therapists and school teams.